Okay, time has come and we must do a Bagless test with real dust from the full dust bag from my parents, and they have no idea where I am going to use that dust. And we have that Electrolux UltraFlex, and yes, you saw it right. Miele overhead connected to it, and I have just connected that wiring with the zip ties, removable zip ties, so I am going to keep this original, fully original. So this overhead has just very long cable connected to the vacuum also, but enough of chit chat, and now to the test. Okay, let's hope this doesn't clog the Cyclone, but we will see. And vacuum is full. This is how much we picked it up. Okay, we are full again. this is so messy. This is something that it's not meant for. This is about 2 months worth of dust. Okay, this is covered in dust because I dropped some. And very messy to empty like all Bagless cleaners are, but this is very extreme example, so yes, I knew it. This would be, oh, I don't put this back, I have to clean this whole thing, and this clocked in the first time when it got too full, and I can see already, or I guess this is very dirty, this filter. Now I have to say that this is not bad at all. I mean, when I did this with my Ultra Performer, this was covered in hair, but there's just not so much dust. So this is pretty amazing. I wash this and wipe the cleaner and wash this completely, this dustbin, but yes. Oh, what a mess, but it did extremely fine and there was no loss of suction at all. So this was it. Goodbye.